Namaste, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, Raksha Bandhan is around the corner. So I thought, why not share with you guys a perfect Raksha Bandhan gift for your sister. This is memorable. This has some amazing stuff that your sister would love. So without any further delay, let's begin. I am talking about the premium Rakhi gift box by Salty. You guys know how much I love Salty. I love their accessories because they're so premium quality, at the same time so affordable. And this gift box is something that you should definitely get your hands on, especially if you're looking for a perfect gift for your sister. Let's quickly unbox this. I love the packaging. It's so premium. I love the gold detailing. It screams festive. And this has a lot of stuff. They've tried their best to create such an amazing box, such that this gift is so memorable for your sister and at the same time is filled with lots of love and laughter. Let's quickly open this and see what all we have. I love how they've segregated each and every item in these kind of separate pouches. This adds to the gift box. This adds to the premium quality. At the same time, it would be much easier for your sister to actually see through the stuff, and psychologically it would also feel like there's so many gifts, which they are actually. But yeah, that's just how it is. Now let's see the first item. First item is Midnight 7 Weekly Stud Earrings. I am in love, you guys. First of everything, I really like the ideology behind this, because if your sister loves to try on new earrings, like something that's very minimalistic, I feel like this is such an amazing item, because this literally has everything, right from gold to silver, stars, hearts, and even a pop of color. I absolutely love it, and this would be such a perfect gift for her because she can literally wear a new earring every single day of the week. So I really love how it's so thoughtful that way. It's so beautiful. This box has something for everyone, something that suits every single aesthetic. This is their set of 5 luminous rose earring set. Look at this beauty. I really like it. So as you all know, pink is such a color that girls can't ignore, right? Pink is such a beautiful color, you can clearly see. So this earring set is perfect because not only does it have very dainty earrings, at the same time this is pop of color in the form of pink, and let me tell you, these earrings are so trendy nowadays. So your sister can actually hop on trends, and at the same time she looks so good in these. Of course, we can never ever forget a good necklace. Look at this beauty right here. This is their Hyacinth 4-piece Zircon Heart Magnetic Clover necklace. I really love it. First of all, I really love the color rose gold. I feel like this is such a beautiful piece because it's not a lot actually, you know. A lot of times we want something that we can wear every single day, just like that, something that's not too glam and something that's very dainty, and I feel like this is perfect for that. I really love the hearts here. They are so beautiful, and this can actually symbolize your bond with your sister as well. Just all hearts, all love, exclude the fights. But it's all love, right? So this is a perfect gift for your sister. Guys know I always try to hop on the theme of the video somewhere or the other. And as you can see, I'm actually wearing a butterfly today. And the reason behind that is this particular item. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So this is their set of 6 butterfly studs and pink hoops. Oh my god, this is the best item from the box. I love it. First of all, I really like these butterfly hoops. I mean, who doesn't like butterflies? This literally has everything butterfly, right from gold butterfly hoops to white to pink. And I really like this one. Now, you should always own a pearl stud earrings. They are so useful. Whenever you can't decide what to actually wear, you can actually hop on these ones. They are great to own. We have this very pretty butterfly stud, and of course heart, all hearts everywhere. I really like this one. I love these butterfly earrings. I mean, they add that feminine factor to your look, and I love it. Next item in this box is actually so uber sweet. It's this silver hug promise ring. Actually showcases your promise, your love, your bond with your sister. I love this one. This is anti-tarnish and waterproof.
We also have these gold twisted hoop earrings.
They literally go with every single thing. This is such a statement piece to own. I really like it. This can literally go with anything and everything. You can never go go wrong with this one. I know. Raksha Bandhan is all about sweets. So we also have this very cutesy Hershey's Kisses packet. I really like this. They are so yummy, by the way. And this is such a perfect addition to the box because you can literally have sweets together. We also have this very cute personalized message greeting card for your sister. I feel like this is such an amazing thing to add to the box. She can literally read it while seeing all the gifts, and I love it. If you're looking for some crystal and evil eye Rakhi or even more interesting gift hampers, you can definitely check out Salty's website. They're starting from just ₹699 and they are so precious and so beautiful. So make sure that you check them out. That's all about it. I really hope your sister would love this gift because it is so thoughtful. This has every single thing that your sister might need. She'll be so happy. I'll leave the link to this box in the description box below. In case you like this video, make sure that you press the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Goodbye.